Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to swap your face on your selfies on the FaceApp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the gallery button down below and select a picture that you want to edit. After that, you should slide to the right side of the screen till you find the face swap option. Tap on the face swap button and then you should find celebrity. Tap on the picture, click on use. Now your photo is being processed, as you can see in the middle of the screen, and here is the result. If you tap on the reverse button, you will be able to reserve the swap. So here is the celebrity with your face and your picture with the celebrity's face. If you tap on the morphing button, you are going to see how it looks like. There is the our son and our daughter options that you can try out. So if you tap on the our son button, you're going to see how your son would look like with that celebrity that you have just chosen, and you can do the same with the our daughter option as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.